Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's see if they'll fit in the top of here. There we go.
There we go. That was good. There it is. Or that. Yeah.
Might walk on the rocks and go around that dude and get on the other side.
Maybe.
Just be careful, okay?
I will. You're
Yeah.
the one that needs to be careful.
Because I'm old.
Yeah.
I'll catch y'all some bait in just a second, okay?
Where was getting scared, so I had to come back and get her.
So we might work our way to the other side. Okay?
That was so hard. We didn't even fall.
You didn't fall not once?
Yeah, but a word fell. I already slipped.
Okay. It's going way down. Alright, let's go to the other side. Okay, we're gonna go in them trees and go through them rocks, okay?
Okay. Is that your dude right there?
Yeah.
Oh my freaking gosh.
There's a bunch of bait, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get some fresh bait.
Yeah, it said all this dead bait.
Yeah. It's fucked up for them to leave all that shit there.
They just leave all the bait.
Yeah.
I'm going where you are. Crap.
Yeah, follow me, okay?
We will. Yeah. That's the water from here.
What? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Tearing them up. Yeah, just be careful walking, okay? Don't fall like me. Yeah. All them fish died.
And it's catfish. That's the catfish.
Yep. It happens. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all some bait, okay? Oh, there's first jig find right there.
No, second.
Second? Okay.
Oh, I found one.
That
Got
one?
it.
Put it in there.
Oh,
No, not that.
Fish. Right there. That's a bobber. Yeah. A catfish.
Yeah.
That's a baby.
He got stuck in the rocks, huh?
He's still alive.
He did.
Yeah, he did. I'm gonna tie it up into string.
Do what? Nah, I'm gonna try to catch a saw guy.
For bait. Oh, you're on me.
Hey, y'all get back. I'm gonna throw this out there, okay?
Yeah, and then we can knock you out.
Yeah, these weights will knock the shit out of you.
Make a pancake. That's a pancake. That's good. Grab it. Oh yeah! We got catfish! We got catfish!
Alright, we gotta put all the catfish back, okay?
Yeah.
You can't keep them this way. Move, move, move. Get. Find a spot where you can dump them, okay?
Over here.
Here. Where?
Over here.
Alright.
There's a little pocket of water. Right there. Oh, here, watch out.
Put the pole down. You don't know how to fucking do it.
Don't step on my pole.
Alright, all these catfish, you gotta put them back in the water, okay?
I will. Me too.
And put most of the shad back in there, okay? Just keep us a few of them.
Get that catfish out. Ah! Come here, catfish. Come here. They have spikes, so watch out. I don't think so.
Yeah, they do.
Come here. They're all just flopping around. This one is. Mama! It's so hard to
Samson.
get them.
Sure.
Another catfish. Throw them into the water. Get the catfish. I'm gonna get that one.
Get one.
Go.
Put most of them fish back in the water, okay?
Oh my god! No. They're flopping. Yay! Oh. Let me get the catfish for you, Gator. Don't make me fall. That's doing. Come here. Yay! That's so much fish. True. This little friend. What the fuck? They're flashing us. With this. Hooked on there. Yay. Oh my god! I didn't get that gator.
Alright, put most of them shad back in the water too, okay?
Yay. Oh.
We just need like 4 of them or so, okay? Hurry up, they're all dying.
Get him! Go!
Just keep like 2 or 3 of them big ones and throw everything else in the water, okay?
Get that one, he's dying. Keep this one.
Yeah.
Mine's too small.
Yeah, just keep throwing them until you only got like 2 or 3 left, okay?
Okay. Hey, it keeps finding us. Please.
Hurry, they're all dying.
I'm trying to. We're trying to save you guys. Only most of y'all.
Yeah, throw that back.
Ow! They ain't spiking me. They're spiking me. Just get them with skin. Harry. Ah! Grab them. That's what I'm trying to. Don't worry about the spawns. Yeah, I ain't. Look at this my gosh. Keep this huge one right here in the middle. Okay.
No, that's trash.
Oh, that's trash.
Yeah, that's a drum.
Come here, Harry. Scales. You want to keep this?
Trash it.
Oh, there's so much scales.
Yeah.
Yeah. Focus on you. Oh my gosh. Can we keep this one? Can we keep this one?
Sure.
Just gotta hurry up.
Hurry up.
Most of them are dying in the water.
They're already out there dead.
Oh, that one's a keeper. Ah! What's the flip?
Alright, leave all them, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, give me a big one and cut them up.
This one. No, I got a bigger one.
There you go. Let something eat that, huh?
Most of them are dead. Some will eat that, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them, they keep squirting us. I see one alive. He's just moving. And then there's one just going upside down. 2. Actually. It's because we're dying. We didn't hurry in time. There's so much dead fish. Oh, look at all the guts.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see all the guts. Yeah. I'm going to go over there where it's overflowing. What do they eat?
They eat like plankton. Same thing that spoonbill eat.
That was Aaron. It's sad. There's some huge ones and some small ones. Wait, do we get two for you?
No. Just leave them in there in case we need more, okay?
Yeah.
That way I ain't got to catch so many again. Ah.
I love water. Most of the dead ones are now all gone into the water.
They come back to life.
Yeah, that's right. We don't need it.
I'm cleaning my knife.
I'm clearing my hands.
Hey, don't step on my pole. You're going to fuck my shit up, dude. All right, bring me a pole. Let's bait up and get after it. Everybody got their stringers? All right, bring me your poles.
Watch out, there's fishing line everywhere.
All right, see? You're going to take this. You're going to take that. Just hook it just a little bit through the skin and stuff.
You pooped yourself.
A little bit.
Don't
Yeah.
freaking fishing line.
All right, cast it out there.
Yeah.
Come on.
The fishing line all tangled up. I don't know how.
You got to hold on to it, okay? You want to show you how?
Yeah.
Now watch.
I thought this was something in there.
Watch. Okay, see? Before you can flip it, you got to hold it, okay? And you pull it back. And then you cast it.
Dang, that's a good one.
Hold on. Watch it. The fish is going to get it quick.
Okay.
Come on. Hurry up.
Come on. Okay. The flies are eating it.
Yeah. Give me a piece of fish.
Get a piece of fish for Daddy.
You want that one?
Spiky.
Okay.
Someone's scales.
All right, Xander.
Oh my God.
See? Here's yours. Push the button. And you cast it.
Okay.
Oh, he's trying to get it. Here, hold on to it because they're going to take it. Samson,
Right. Supposed to grab it?
wait.
Oh, all this fishing line they leave. It's just all taking on up.
Don't get frustrated.
Who's up looking for?
Hey, don't reel it in, okay? Just watch it.
I'm watching it.
All right, give me a piece of fish. Think he's on there?
Don't know. Getting bites were. I know. I know how to cast already. Oh my God. Oh, he's on there. Where he's on there?
All right, where are you going to cast that?
I'm casting it. Well, over there.
He's got it. Pull him in.
Got it. He's got it. Pull him in.
Did he come off?
No.
Yeah, he came off. All right, throw it out there like I taught you. All right. There you go. Now pinch the line with your finger. Open it up. Now look at your line. Is it still hung on there? There you go. All right. Watch that bush behind you. Just scoot over some. And you're casting right on top of them.
I didn't mean to cast it right there. I meant to cast it over there.
That's it.
You gotta get it all fall from on top of him.
Okay, you gotta put this back down after you cast too, okay?
Yeah, I know that.
You got all this space. Don't cast over the top of nobody, okay?
Okay.
You got it all jacked up too. You got one? You got one?
Got him! Get him! Reel him in! Reel him in! He's taking it!
Have you got it?
You got him! He's dragging it! Oh, that's over the top of Xander's.
Somehow not.
Why not?
Alright, see?
Yeah.
Hold on to it. Cast it out there. And then once you cast it, you flip it back down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I think you already got one.
I do. No, he's off. He's not on there.
Y'all watch it, okay? I think you got one. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Samson's got one.
Cast it out in the right spot. Oh, he's big. He's not big, he's a tiny little guy.
Yeah, they're all going to be about the same size. Alright. Drag them over here and put them on your stringer. And then find a spot for your stringer to go.
Oh, the bait came out. I'm just closing my eyes.
Watch them. Yeah, find a spot. Take the hook out and find a spot to put them, okay?
That was right on too. Right on top of it. Sounds like it's buzzing.
What? He's talking. You gonna limb it out?
He's doing a death roll.
Get the hook out of him. Oh, Xander.
You got a hit,
Has he got it? It ain't take it yet. There he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes. Ah, you missed him. All right, cast it back out.
Can you help me unhook this?
Yeah.
I wish I had pliers with me. It'd be way more easy. Got it in there. See?
Put through the hole. All right, let me help you out, dude. What the hell did you do?
I have my rope in my pocket, but I don't know how to do it.
I'll show you. Let me see that knife. Let's cut this bait in half. Some flies are tearing it up. Put it in a different spot. They might have took your bait. Nope, still got your bait. Yeah, throw it in a different spot. I'm gonna cast it all the way out there. You ready?
Okay. Dang,
right.
that's close.
Hold on to it. They're gonna take it. Did you tie it to that stick?
Yeah.
You didn't tie it, dude.
What's tugging?
Has he got it?
It was pulling, and now it ain't.
Okay, watch him. Yeah, tie it, okay? Did you mess it up? Coming.
One got stuck on the line.
Oh. Reel him in. Reel him in. Pull him in.
What happened to it?
Get him, Xander. You make sure you flip that back down.
Okay.
Always keep it tight. Still got bait.
Yeah.
All right.
Only a little chunk.
Pull him in, Xander. All right.
That's a better cast than me.
Watch him. He's going to take it. Pull him in, Xander. Pull him in, Xander.
I got one. I got one.
All right, bring him over here. Let me grab him. Yeah? Hey, hold your pole.
It was kind of hard.
Yeah? It was fun?
Yeah. I'm going to give him my rope.
Okay. Stringer.
Yeah. No, he's still on it. Nope, he's off. I had him. Ah. My hands hurt now.
Your hands hurt now? Y'all got to catch supper. You got to keep catching them.
But do I reel it in all the way?
No, leave it right there. This thing's full of fish, dude. You got to set the hook. You got to pull hard. You miss him? Okay.
Why do you just to catfish, I think?
Here, I'm going to go tie this up over here, okay?
Okay.
Want me to cast yours back out or you got it?
I got it.
There's Xander.
Oh,
All right, Xander, I'm going to put you right here, okay? Yeah, I'm going to put you right here. All right, you ready? You ready to do it again?
yeah.
Okay. All right, here you go. You want to throw yours back out, Aurora? Now pull it in. I ain't gonna have time to catch no fish.
Fish are moving.
I think this thing's been off for a while.
Dang. Right next to the bar.
Reel it in. You gotta set the hook on him. You gotta keep it tight and set the hook, okay?
Nothing.
I'm gonna catch yours out
Stole
of
my
here.
bait.
You stole your bait. You gotta get another one on there.
Well, we gotta cut up another fish because I got the last one.
Okay.
At least.
This bobber worked its way down too.
I want to carry the catfish this time. I don't want to put it on there because I don't know why.
Okay.
Daddy, I want to put on the catfish.
You want to put it on the catfish? Okay. You gotta catch one first.
No, Dad.
Okay. Grab me one. Grab one. You got one?
Tiny. Here's a big one.
Give me one of the smaller ones.
Small. Almost a big. It's flying.
Yeah. Did he come off?
He came off. I had one, but I didn't get him.
I'm gonna see your hook. You gotta check your hook every time, make sure the hook's showing. I'm gonna hook it in a smaller part, okay?
Okay.
Hey Samson, when you throw out, throw more left, okay? All right, whoop it out there.
Like, I don't want to hurt myself.
You don't hurt
This is
yourself.
pointy.
A little bit.
Ew. Scaly. And a little bit spiked.
Why'd you cast right there? There you go.
Thank you. Just put it down.
Here, tighten your line up. You're gonna break your bobber.
Oh,
Yeah.
not again. Like last time. I got 2 fish and 3 of them.
Let me cast it.
I'll try.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
Here, let me hit it.
I'll just catch one. So I'm gonna get the catfish and then I'm gonna bring it to you. But I'm not gonna put it on the thing.
Okay.
Because I don't know how. But unless you show me
Here you
how,
go.
I will try. You got one.
Roar's got one. Reel it in tight. Reel it in tight and then set the hook. You gotta jerk on it when you set the hook, okay? When you don't set the hook, they come out like that. Y'all understand that, right?
Yeah, I will understand that.
Yeah, you gotta set the hook.
Samson, your legs are deep in there.
Samson, or Xander, set the hook.
Set it.
Reel it tight and set the hook. Jerk it, jerk it, jerk it.
Thank you, Daddy.
Here you go.
I'm the worst at
Let me
that.
see yours, dude.
I bobber.
Give me some slack. Yeah, they're full of water too.
It's turtle.
Turtle. Hey, y'all gotta set the hook, okay? If you don't set the hook, the hook won't sink into them. All right, here you go. Take it back. Xander, set the, oh, missed it. Oh,
Got
yeah.
one?
Got one. Gotta get some more bait on there too.
Oh my God, that's heavy. It's because of the bobber, and that speaks.
Here you go. Go put them on the stringer.
Okay.
You got it figured out how to stab them through there? Okay. I'm gonna let your pole sit right here, okay? All right, let's hook you up, Xander. Here. Ooh. You're a little wild, dude. You're a little wild. All right, you ready? You're gonna catch one right here.
Oh, I saw him.
All right, you want me to set the hook for you? And then give you the pole? Or you want all of it?
I just want to do it.
Alright.
Wait, what does set the hook mean?
It means jerk on it real hard, but you gotta make sure your line's tight before you jerk on it, okay? All right, tie it back off, don't lose it.
Wait, are my catfish still alive?
Yeah. They're alive until they go on our bellies.
Why do catfish have to always be slimy?
You gotta get a piece of bait too. Where'd the fish go?
No. I think I should move.
And we throw it in a different spot.
Yeah. But how do you get it onto there though?
Oh, your bait come off. Gotta go another piece of bait. You got robbed.
Somebody robbed me.
You got one, Samson? Jump down there and fix it if it's hung up. There you go.
Ooh. We're catching a lot of fish today. Oh, yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, be ready, okay? Just remember, there's drops off right there, okay?
Okay.
You gonna catch one, Roy?
Yep.
It's gone already.
What?
Set the hook, jerk on it. You gotta set the hook hard, girl.
I did. I'm gonna stand on this rock.
Okay.
What just happened?
And he's gonna hit it right there.
Restart.
Oh,
What the?
got him. Oh, wait. Wait, Xander, wait. He ain't got it right now. All right, drag him over here.
Oh,
Hey, you gonna break the pole, girl?
huge.
Hey, swing it over here on the bank. There you go.
So I don't have to break.
Before you cast out there, yeah, it's a good one. Before you cast out, you gotta put your thing back on there, okay?
Oh, I got
There you go.
right there. Oh, he fell out. Come here.
Don't lose him in the water. Aurora got the biggest one. All right, I'm gonna throw it all the way out there so you gotta reel it the whole way, okay?
Okay. I think my bobber is open. But I want to put the catfish on there by
Okay.
myself. So you got to. Oh
Here,
my gosh.
reel this in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it. You got one. You got one? He come off?
No, he's not on it. He's the biggest one. Yes, he is. It's the biggest one. It ain't really in.
Your line's jacked up. Here. From when you went slack on it, you gotta keep it tight because it'll wrap up like that.
Oh,
Is he still on there?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? No, need more bait too.
Yeah.
I fixed your bait, girl. Xander needs some more bait. You got one?
Yes.
Hell yeah.
I got it last twice.
Okay.
I got one.
All right, swing him over there in the bank.
Little. Again, yeah, I'm getting lots of them today. How heavy?
All right, Xander, you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna catch one.
Fire.
Come here, Xander. All right, you ready? Here you go. Be ready. He's gonna take it in a minute. Watch it. See what you got.
Can you unearth? It's tiny. I got the biggest one. And more
I think Roar's got you beat. Yeah, they're slimy.
You don't got me beat. Yep, I do. No, I got 5.
You need more bait, Roar. He took yours.
I know. Ow! Look. Can you unearth him?
Yeah. He get you?
Find me. I'm not sticking fingers.
Oh, you gotta
At
fix
least
it.
I'm not bleeding.
You still got your bait, but you gotta fix it.
Yeah, I know.
Just slide it back down there.